Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Nazib bin Azman. Nombor pendaftaran saya 03 DT21F1092. Introduction. The washing machine system is a common household appliance designed to automate and simplify the process of cleaning clothes. It combines various mechanical, electrical and plumbing components to provide efficient and convenient laundry solutions. The primary purpose of a washing machine is to remove dirty stains and odors from garments, bedding, and other fabrics. By utilizing a combination of water, detergent, and mechanical agitations, the system effectively cleans clothes while minimizing the effort required from the user. Overall, the washing machine system has revolutionized the way we do laundry, saving time and effort while delivering cleaning and fresh clothes. With advancements in technology, washing machine continue to evolve, offering features such as energy efficiency, smart connectivity, and specialized wash cycle for different fabric type.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zarif Iskandar bin Zaki Nazir. My registration number is 03DET21F1022. So today I will talk about the objective of this mini project. The objective of a washing machine system is to provide effective and efficient cleaning of clothes and other fabrics. The system aims to achieve the following objective: cleaning efficiency. The primary objective of a washing machine is to remove the stains and odors from garments. The system should be capable of providing true cleaning by effectively agitating the clothes, distributing detergent evenly, and rinsing away the dirt and the detergent residue. Convenient and time-saving. A key objective of a washing machine is to simplify the laundry process and save time for users. By automating the washing, rinsing, and spinning cycles, the system eliminates the need for manual scrubbing and soaking, allowing users to perform other tasks while the machine operates. Fabric care. While cleaning clothes, a washing machine should also prioritize fabric care. The system should be designed to minimize wear and tear on garments, reduce frictions, and avoid excessive stretching or shrinkage. It should offer a range of wash cycles and settings to accommodate different fabric types and delicacy levels. Water and energy efficiency. An important objective of modern washing machines is to conserve water and energy resource. The system should be designed to use water efficiently by providing options for load size detection and adjusting water levels accordingly. Energy efficient features such as high-speed spin cycles and temperature control aim to reduce electricity consumption. Safety and reliability. The washing machine system should prioritize safety for users. It should incorporate safety features such as lid locks to prevent accidental openings during operation and overflow sensors to prevent water leakage or flooding. Reliability is also crucial, ensuring that the system performs consistently and withstands regular use over an extended period. User-friendly interface. The objective of the washing machine system is to provide a user-friendly interface that is easy to understand and operate. The control panel should offer intuitive controls, clear indicators, and informative displays to allow users to select desired settings and monitor the progress of the wash cycle. Innovation and additional features. Washing machine systems continually strive for innovation and additional features to enhance the user experience. This may include smart connectivity for remote control and monitoring, specialized wash cycles for specific fabric types, steam cleaning options, or advanced technologies for stain removal and fabric rejuvenation. By achieving this objective, the washing machine system aims to provide a convenient, efficient, and reliable solution for cleaning clothes, ultimately making the laundry process easier and more enjoyable for users. That's all for the objective of this mini project. Thank you.
Flow chart. Start, insert clothes, 5 kilo. Weight the clothes, 5 liter. Insert water, washing, rising, drying, then washing. RN. Block diagram. Insert clothes, weight the clothes, insert water, washing, rising, drying.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Hazman. My matrix number is 03DET21F1058. The coding we create to produce the washing machine system and the circuit diagram. In conclusion, the washing machine system is a remarkable appliance that has revolutionized the way we do laundry. It offers a multitude of benefits and features that simplify the process of cleaning clothes and other fabrics. By effectively removing dirt, stain, and odor, the system ensures that garments are thoroughly clean and refreshed. The washing machine system achieves its objective by prioritizing cleaning efficiency, convenience, and time saving. It employs mechanical agitation, water, and detergent to achieve thorough cleaning, eliminating the need for manual scrubbing and soaking. With the automated cycles and settings, user can save time and effort while the machine performs the necessary tasks.